Hims and Hers Telehealth Honest Review. Watch before using. Hims and Hers is a telehealth service that offers a wide range of online health consultations and treatments, targeting issues like hair loss, sexual health, mental health, skincare, and general wellness. The platform is designed to make healthcare more accessible by offering virtual consultations with licensed professionals, making it convenient for people who want discreet and affordable healthcare options from the comfort of their homes. It's especially geared towards individuals who may feel uncomfortable visiting a doctor in person, or those who want to avoid long wait times and office visits. Hims and Hers operates on a straightforward process. Users complete an online health assessment, and depending on the service, they either get a prescription or treatment plan from a licensed provider. The platform is particularly effective for conditions like hair loss, where users can get prescribed treatments like finasteride or minoxidil after an online consultation. For sexual health concerns, they offer treatments for erectile dysfunction, premature ejaculation, and other common issues, with prescriptions sent directly to your home. The mental health side is just as extensive, offering therapy and medication for anxiety, depression, and other mental health disorders. One of the standout features is its subscription-based model. For many treatments, you can subscribe to regular deliveries of your prescribed medication or products, which saves you time and eliminates the need to reorder. However, this can also be a downside if you're someone who prefers a more ad hoc approach to medication. For users concerned about privacy, Hims and Hers guarantees discretion, with packaging that ensures your medications arrive in a private, unmarked box. As with any telehealth service, the quality of the experience can vary based on your specific needs and the provider you are matched with. Some users report smooth consultations and fast results, while others may find the online assessment process a bit impersonal. Additionally, while Hims and Hers is a great option for non-emergency care, it's important to remember that it's not a replacement for in-person care in certain situations, especially for complex conditions. In conclusion, Hims and Hers is a convenient, efficient option for those seeking discreet, affordable healthcare from home. It's perfect for people dealing with common health issues like hair loss, sexual health concerns, or mental health struggles. However, its value depends on the type of treatment you're seeking, and it's always important to weigh it against other healthcare options to ensure it fits your needs.